Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS platform. Today we are going to discuss a new type of essay. Before that, have a look at the basics of the essays. Essays are the writing task too for both academic coaching and general training students. Today we are going to discuss both the views type essay. You have got 40 minutes time to complete this task and you can write at least 250 to maximum 280 words. So let's have a look at today's question statement. Some people prefer to directly help or support people who need it in the local community. Yes, there are many people who are in need of help because they cannot afford something, right? Or just because maybe they can afford, but due to certain circumstances they are needing some help, right? So what do some people do? They just help those people directly. They do not take any other source. For example, if you need money, I am giving you money, right? I am not giving money to somebody else, then he or she will give you the money. No, I am giving you money just because you need it and there is no source in between. Whereas, however, others prefer to give money to national or international charities. Yes. Now there are some other type of people. How do they like to donate? Through the system of some national or international charities. Yes. There are bodies at the national level. There are certain bodies at the international level also. For example, we have WHO. In India, we have like Chief Minister's Relief Funds, Prime Minister's Relief Funds, many NGOs, right? So there are people who prefer to use these bodies who are at national or international level instead of going to the person directly. So there are two types. First is helping the person directly. Second is helping the person indirectly by giving money or by giving the resources to some national or international institutions. दो तरीके हैं लोग हेल्प कर सकते हैं लोगों की. या तो जिस पर्सन को हेल्प चाहिए उस पर्सन को डायरेक्टली वो हेल्प दे दी जाए, वेदर इट इज इन फॉर्म ऑफ मनी या उसे किसी और चीज की जरूरत है तो वो दे दी जाए, या फिर क्या करा जाए किसी नेशनल या इंटरनेशनल बॉडी को, इंटरनेशनल या इंटरनेशनल चैरिटेबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को हम अपनी मनी और वट एवर रिसोर्स चैरिटी के फॉर्म में दें और वो जो भी पर्सन को उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है, जो भी लोकल कम्युनिटी के लोगों को उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है, उनको वो हमारे रिसोर्सेज या हमारे फंड्स आगे प्रोवाइड करेंगे, राइट? नाउ व्हाट यू हैव गॉट टू डू, डिस्कस बोथ व्यूज एंड गिव योर ओपिनियन. यस, आपको दोनों ही व्यूज डिस्कस करने हैं और अपनी ओपिनियन देनी है. 250 वर्ड्स एटलीस्ट लिखने हैं. यस, लेट्स सी द इंट्रोडक्शन फर्स्ट. इट इज गोइंग टू रिमेन सेम. पहले आप एक जनरल स्टेटमेंट चैरिटीज के ऊपर लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि इसमें बात ही चैरिटी के ऊपर हो रही है, तो उसके ऊपर, या डोनेशंस के ऊपर, वन एंड द सेम थिंग और लिटिल बिट डिफरेंस. सो यू कैन ईदर राइट अबाउट डोनेशन और यू कैन राइट अबाउट चैरिटीज. देन आप क्या करेंगे, अपने क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट को सिनोनिम्स यूज करके यू आर गोइंग टू rephrase your question statement. You are going to rewrite your question statement by using synonyms. And in last, they asked, discuss both sides and give your opinion. So yes, we are going to give our opinion too in the last line of introduction, right? Next, body paragraph. Yes, so there will be two body paragraphs. In body paragraph 1, you are going to give viewpoints that why do people prefer to give charities directly to people, what could be the reasons, right? And then in paragraph 2, you are going to give two reasons that why, or two viewpoints that why do people use national and international bodies for charities, right? Conclusion remains to be the same. So let's begin with the introduction. What I have written, community services can be carried out in several ways. Community services को क्या है, different तरह से carry out करा जा सकता है. Yes, I have written, think on a very simple statement that there are different ways of doing community services. There are some individuals who extend their support to the needy only. Yes, So there are people only means directly, जिसको चाहिए उसी को ही directly some people are helping. Extend means giving. So there are some individuals, there are some people who are giving their help to the person who is requiring it, while there are some others, but there are other type of people also. What do? Who do the same through the network of donating to charitable institutions. Yes, they take a network in between, they take a link. And what is that link? Some charitable institutions. There are several aspects to both the ways of donating. Yes, we are talking about two things. So I have written that there are several aspects, there are several reasons to both the ways of making donations. However, I believe donating directly to the needy is a better alternative. But what is my belief? I told you, your view is going to come in the last line of introduction. So this is the last line of my introduction. What do I believe? That donating directly is a better alternative. This is my view. If you feel that donating through charitable institutions is a better alternative, you can write that too. Right? Now we are going to move to body paragraph 1. Before that, leave one line and start from extreme left. To initiate means to start. Masses who donate directly to the deprived. Deprived means the people who cannot afford something. In simple words, deprived means poor or needy. Yes, masses means people. So the people who feel, who donate, who give charity directly to the needy person, what do they feel? Feel that this helps in knowing the real requirements and they can be helped more adequately. Yes, if somebody needs our help and we are coming in direct contact with them, we can know what the person is actually requiring. उनकी क्या ज़रूरत है, उनको किस चीज़ की प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, राइट? एंड अकॉर्डिंगली आप उनको बेटर वे में हेल्प कर पाएंगे जब आप उनसे डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट में आएंगे, राइट? नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, बिसाइड्स there are greater chances of discovering the root cause of issue and thus the menace can be eradicated, absolutely making the destitute free from problem. Yes, very important. अब अगर आप किसी के direct contact में आ रहे हैं, you are in direct contact of somebody, what are the possibilities? There are greater chances means there are more possibilities, there are more chances of discovering means you can know what is causing रूट कॉज ऑफ द इशू मीन्स प्रॉब्लम के पीछे जो भी वो परेशानी फेस कर रहे हैं, जो भी उनको कमी है, जो भी आप उनको हेल्प करना चाह रहे हैं, उनको आपकी हेल्प की जरूरत क्यों पड़ रही है, राइट? और अगर आपको वो रीजन पता चले तो पॉसिबिलिटी है कि आप उस प्रॉब्लम को खत्म करने के लिए भी कोशिश कर सके और फिर अल्टीमेटली वो क्या है, वो प्रॉब्लम ही जड़ से खत्म हो जाएगी एंड उनको एक बार आपकी हेल्प के बाद हो सकता है जरूरत कभी पड़े ही ना, राइट? सो the people can be helped directly. When they are helped directly, what can be done? The person who is coming in direct contact with the needy person, he or she is able to know better why the problem is happening and thus the problem can be solved totally, right? Eradicated means removed. Absolutely means totally. Now we come on to body paragraph 2. So leave one line and start from extreme left. Start telling about the reasons or aspects of donating through charitable institutions, right? So on the flip side means on the other side, those who donate to national and international bodies may do so. Yes. So the people who are donating to national and international bodies, they are doing so. They are doing this because of their inability to meet the underprivileged due to any reason. Yes, there are chances that you are residing in India or you are residing in some other country and you want to help somebody who is residing in a different country, or you are from the same country but you want to help somebody who is residing in a different state or in a different city and you are not able to meet that person directly. So, but you want to help. What you can do? You can donate through national or international body. Instead of just sitting idle and thinking, oh, I cannot help them just because I cannot meet them. No, there is a network, there is a chain, there is a connecting link. And what is that connecting link? Between the needy and the person who can provide the services. That connecting link is some national or international body, right? Lastly, the national and international charitable institutions can allocate the funds judiciously and distribute them in the most righteous and justified manner. Yes, when you are giving somebody something, you are just giving them the funds, right? Or whatever thing they need. So only a certain person or a certain group of individuals or some community is helped. But when you are giving fund to some national or international bodies, what they can do? They can distribute the funds in the right way. They can supply the funds in parts, right? They can supply some funds to one set of people and they can supply some funds to some other set of people, right? If you were going to help somebody, you were going to help only one set of people. But when you are donating to some national or international bodies, your funds can be allocated to different sets of people, right? So instead of just helping one, you are helping many. Or if only one is being helped through national or international body, then also they will look at how they can help in the most effective, in the best way possible, right? So they can distribute funds. Allocate means, again, distribute funds judiciously means wisely, and distribute them in the most righteous and justified manner means in the most proper manner the funds will be given to the needy, thereby making it more meaningful to donate to them. Thus, it is more right to donate to such charitable institutions, right? Now we come on to the conclusion. To summarize, it can be deduced, means concluded, that helping the indigent means poor, is of prime importance so that their dearth means scarcity or lack of resources, can be compensated. Yes. So now what we are saying, whether we help through charitable institutions or we help directly, what is most important, that the poor, the needy, the indigent must be helped, right? So that their scarcity of resources, whatever need of resources they have, that need can be fulfilled. And they can also enjoy, if not all, then some basic necessities of life. Yes. Why would somebody need them? Why is somebody called needy? Because they are not enjoying all the basic necessities of life. And if they cannot enjoy all the basic necessities of their life through help, they can enjoy some. So all the things that you can do to help them, that must be done, whether you are doing it directly or you are doing it indirectly. Still, I believe helping them straight is more beneficial. Yes, helping them straight away, helping them directly is more beneficial. That is my view. You can say that helping them through national or international bodies is more beneficial, right? So that's all with your essay. Discuss both the views. I hope you all are clear with the essay. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.